Mami ma wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so. Mestra subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so. Ube a notification. And some ekosu wo memu bia ube nyebieti. Anase ube nyebiahwe ewo GCN page ha midin ede adwoa sechi. Ewiase ayewe amanfo bi ewo adofo yie papapa. Adofo bi obi awo bi. By say obi epewasem na ofina kumemi na apewasem a ede yie papapa. Na de ntia make say na eye Honorable Kennedy Akompreku Japan ye MP de ma Asin Central na dofo e no mo asori gidigidi and sorry o mo asori na hwan so no mo ba ye Captain Smart ye journalist e wo manga na mu e chese Captain yesterday na gina ho chese Honorable na dofo e chese o mo ba wo so and nya asem keto akra ba na o mo ba na o mo de full vim e na o mo ba enti no e ne ye krado na hia o mo because omo eba wo ba na de enti a Honorable na dofa na omo be nyina no omo eba wo ba enti no ene ye ready na face omo no omo so omo ye ready omo ba papa na de enti omo ka sei na eye Honorable Kennedy Akompreku Japan na multimedia ensema ekoso ewo omo entem eye endurance ensem ya shooting ekoso a omo de eku kaka amafu bebre chese kaka ni wu no wu ni na eye fix the country or join me all your videos bia chese ekro no team no emunsem enkoye ntim ka Ghana fo mpemfo mo enhwe na omo enka obi edi ekoku no na Honorable cry chese kaka ni wu no eba out no o se na Ghana hanom say e wo kebi na min kebi nti adenti no bi eche na gen say fix the country omo eku enipa ko no onim say sana kaka ni nua kra na okun no na reporter na ofi anase journalist na o join news or the report na eba out no che say wa hwehwe mi ye kra no de eba out na Honorable eche say o man ne bebo a ejina journalist for so how dare you say we journalist work for school unumo left and right now the report eba out now the fake report in eba Honorable so on na ho oni do na ne man Ghana pro betumi ekunu wa ma man Ghana enti obekasa na Honorable eba out na semba akọ kan ya che say Ghana food be kan Ghana food bebre na kasa Honorable sa asem we di kai aka e de asem aba adenti na okeke bi Honorable che so your president and can reporter no be twa de chiko so be gu ne mba papa na ne ho asisi ne so na mafu say Honorable o de che say yesro o kan ebem o ko kan med na se mebem yentina ho na reporter nso ne de embe ma che say ho se ma ko ebebre na de na Captain Smart asom e na o che say Honorable o visit the show na yensro wo ebetu ba kekan adwen a kire wo adenti na wote sa asembia ekowu ekra adenti Honorable wote sa na Honorable Kennedy Akompreku Japan na kasa no onim ne to kwako wa be reply Captain Smart akekan se ma che no kwasa Captain kwa wo kwa de ka e na Honorable so de nim se na no nda o se Captain o koto na air condition wan tu ya ne kafa niska cover na ho se na de ade a na no e na Honorable ne dofo bako e che se Captain de na ye na omo e ba ma Captain o se de Honorable enye ode jensem na wo keka no kra jensem na wo keka no o sorry I say na ena Honorable your friend is Captain Smart o your kronfo ye papa o your kronfo na wo Captain Smart bra out na be catch Ghana fo wo danya wo se we sisi ena wo cast na wo sika wo hemfo na wo de ma unya se anya mani na true galamsey unya se anya mani na true galamsey ndi sefo wa be mo mu ja galamsey na ndi so bia to be ena wo nya sika fie enso wo sorry a na wo de nanado enhwe ye ena galamsey ese ye man ena nanado o sorry o so kwati galamsey so onhwe ni krom Captain Smart ye ka galamsey mo kin corner o ka ho ye papa because what dan ena wo nya ma wo na true galamsey e wa brand this for e wo power na say ena Honorable ne dofo no e de etuja awaya ma ho e dan na wo ya ma ho galamsey basu na odisi wudan Captain Smart galamsey basu na odisi wudan some mansion na wo show na sebe o bluff no it was true galamsey and now be na nanado galamsey na feature aboa fool Captain Smart me say wa wo don sabe kaka na Japan wo no be ka bia ye be ba so full force some more freedom fighters and I'm more common sense family your friends of Kennedy Japan more ye pe we love our MP we love our uncle Krasini Captain Smart. Once you na Kumasi na obi ba Accra, e man na wudu pi omo. Captain Smart ambulance now the jengo fosika e wa brochesa wo betono ne taiwe. Where is the money, Captain Smart? The money you extorted from women in Europe.
All in the name of buying ambulances. Smart, where is the tie? Common tie, I went to me and talk. Who catches will be a fraud? Captain Smart, who comfort is who really are Mexica, who do pure. Also started with Ken. What can near better? Me see you be war so. Kwame Jokoto say we are bem good heart. He will never fall. Opa me into something who ni pa be dikanechi. Captain Smart, your followers are only bot on Facebook. I dare you. The people that follow you, they are bot on Facebook. They are virtual followers. Uni foko. They na woye. So baby ojuma. I don't know how to compare ojuma. Uni foko. You rely on Galamsey during NDC time now. This is you extorted money from politicians. We are stomach politicians. I'm daring you. We are stomach journalists. And you hold politicians to ransom for money. Corruption. Who can corruption? Who can corruption? Captain Smart. Who the word corruption? A darrow, a boy, a darrow. There can they upon our who you see. So also platform no. When your platform, say will be radio station, any platform there, but also become tag down full Captain Smart for me. As ya where then when you can begina ubwa. Who the platform yao? Me see. All your people on Facebook are bots. They are virtual ones. So that 4K, 8K, they are bought. It is easily bought on Facebook. Social media I have for Captain Smart. Me say who you be at this your age, one fool. Do your own work. You promise. I don't know how to call. Uko on FM. I don't know who call on FM. I'm telling you who you be a boy. Me say there Captain Smart. Tag this foolish Captain Smart for me. Yomo Beka. Betenia ni tenia ida. Eno de ta uguni koma bua. Sir, read and explain journalism now we are Ghana now. We can do much better than you. I swear to God. That you read and explain now we know. Editorial papa biya nim. On your FM, Oma huni papa and formu. Because wherever you went, Captain Smart, you brought division. Chaos ewo adwumam uni na munroso otan ahoya corruption dream Captain Smart adware me see all the money that you have Captain Smart, all the houses that you have were through Galamsey. I dare you come out say you receive adwuma oya ya unya ya this is how die now o bluffing no. Do your own work so you be a crashing Captain Smart who deck na Japan what bodam papa. We no go to Japan. Me see only platform. You ain't get no platform. That platform is a bot social media platform now. Masa, ya social media you match on. You people up. You pussy mu debia. Only foko. And a freedom fighter. And a freedom kasia. Who fighting? You are fighting for your own stomach. I'm telling you, there can Japan, Captain Smart. Who fool? Who Jimmy? Second, I can't Ken says you owe him. Or can't see what I done. For receipt, but say, Ken Machoka. Bring out the receipt that shows that you have paid Ken. Krasini. Otoetia. Oti Mexica Yetia. What that magic to Musica. Me see, Captain Smart, you why I think I will behind bars. From Kumasi, why you dream, what the dreams are, they are better than crying. Now, MP before Mouse come fan to talk to us, I won't pass your dining unity. What do you do? Obama government now unpopular. Me say Ghana for Muntu Obama NDC in Samra. Yabre. Vote for NDC again. Yabre. Munya Jimieno. Munya kwasi. Akona mudi omochi and a journalist and freedom fighters.